purpose in why to have the much people, to have the much people. Who is informing? I want to have classmate come. What I can do for you?
I don't have a pen, please, man. Can you buy for me?
Where you give your pen?
I'm forget.
Where your money? Give me please.
This.
I will pay. Wait me here.